I am Miss Yang, and this is my app EcoPlates. My mission is to transform the food industry's carbon footprint one plate at a time. This app empowers users of all ages with sustainable choices, raising awareness on the environmental impact of food and connecting eco-conscious consumers with green eateries and supplies. The user first needs to log in or sign up. Next, they will be presented with a summary of EcoPlate's mission and simplified steps for navigating the app. Then, they are presented the 4 parts of the app and their brief descriptions. The top button leads to the informational pages. They inform the user on current climate change predictions and how the food industry is a large contributor to global carbon emissions. The second button from the top leads to the recipe generator. Here, the user can input a recipe request like such into the AI-powered generator. And because it is AI-powered, the user can personalize the request to include any preferences and/or dietary restrictions. Next is the barcode scanner. The top button allows the user to scan a product of their choosing and will return an eco score for the product like so. I've just scanned a type of dog treat and its eco score is very low as shown on the screen. The lower the eco score, the less sustainable the product is. There's also another informational page linked here that details how to shop sustainably in general. Lastly, EcoPlates includes a map feature through the last button. This screen finds farmers markets near this user's location because local foods' carbon emissions are between 5 to 17 times less than those sourced with far-flung ingredients. In addition, tapping on the markers will display the name of the market and the address, while holding it will pull up directions from the user's location to the chosen market. Thank you so much for watching this demonstration.